Hey everyone, I got here, it's a RC-957R. It's a Pioneer remote for the AVR receiver, and when I press the power, it's not working. The light goes on the remote, but it's not turning on my receiver. Turn this on. Okay, it turns on, but it doesn't turn off the receiver. See? Turn it up. See, nothing's happening. Alright, now to fix this problem, what you're gonna do is you hold the mode button right here, zone. You hold that and you press main right here. Main. Well, about 3 seconds until this here flashes. So mode. Wait till it flash. There you go, it flashes. Now it should be okay. Now let's try it again. Or what you could try is zone main. If it doesn't work, then zone 2. Or if it doesn't work, zone 3. Because your receiver might accidentally been set up to zone 2 or zone 3. Mode and main didn't work. Now we're gonna try another one. Mode and clear. Wait for the flash. There you go. Let's see if it works now. It should do it. Alright, that's it. That's how you fix a Pioneer remote that is not communicating with the receiver. It's not working properly. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.